Hello students. So here, as I told you in last module, that next is remaining some small properties of material, and after that our chapter is going to complete and we'll start our question answers. So do you remember the previous properties which I told you? I hope you all do remember. Once again I am reminding you those properties. First one was appearance, second one was hardness, third one was texture, fourth one was transparency, fifth one was solubility in water, sixth one was density and flotation, and seventh one was what? Physical state. So all those were very simple, I think, right? Here are some more simple properties of material which I am going to explain. First is conductivity. What is conductivity? Children, conduction. We are conducting assembly. We used to say, no, this is our turn, this is our class turn, we have to conduct the assembly. Means we have to arrange the things. This is called conduction. Means we have to take the things from one place to another place, we have to deliver the speech, we have to give a thought, right? So what we are doing in conducting, we are taking one thing from one place to another place. So this is a simple example. Now the conductivity. What is conductivity? Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. This I told you very first when we have started our properties of material, that cooking utensil which we are using in our kitchen, that is made up of what? Metal. And why they are made up of? That day I told you, because they can conduct what? Heat. So metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Cooking vessels, cooking vessel electric wires are therefore made up of metal. Here written, metal conduct electricity and heat. Means heat भी transfer कर सकता है metal, and electricity भी. Electric wire, you have seen electric wires, they are made up of metal only, copper, right? Wood and plastic, they are non-metal, so they are bad conductor of heat and electricity. क्या आपने देखा है, अगर हम वुड से कंडक्ट करना चाहें करंट, नहीं आता ना वुड से, प्लास्टिक से नहीं आता ना. वी कैन नॉट यूज़ प्लास्टिक टू कुक द फूड और वुड टू कुक द फूड. क्या होगा? वो बर्न हो जाएंगे, जल जाएंगे. सो दे कैन नॉट कंडक्ट electricity and heat. That's why handles of cooking vessels, switchboards and bodies of electrical equipments are made up of wood and plastic. क्यों? Because when we are holding a container which is made up of metal, right? So what is going to happen if we are just touching that pan without handle of plastic and wood? We can get? Yes, you can give this answer. It's very hot when we are cooking food in utensils or any container, so it can burn our hand, जला सकता है वो हमें. So it is very important to cover those handles with plastic and wood, because these are the bad conductor of heat, तो हम उसको easily hold कर सकते हैं. That's why the switch is also made up of plastic, so that we cannot get electric current, right? So conductivity is clear. So we can also classify material on the basis of their ability to conduct heat and electricity. Next thing is malleability. What is malleability? Malleability is the property which allow the metal to be hammered into thin sheet. जब हम metal को beat करते हैं, hammered करते हैं, and we can convert this into thin sheet, this is called malleability. A very simple and good example which we are using in daily routine of malleability, that is your aluminium foil. Aluminium is a metal, और उसकी foil आप use करते हैं, वो बहुत पतली thin sheet होती है like a paper. That is due to the property of malleability, because metal has this property of malleability. Next is ductility. Ductility, the property which allow the metal to be drawn into wires, are called ductility. Malleability and ductility. Malleability में क्या होगा? malleability में we can convert them after hammering in thin sheet, and ductility में we can convert them into wires. Gold and silver are the best examples of ductile metal. You can see the gold ornaments, jewelry. So there are different wires they are using to make different designs, right? Because they are ductile. Clear, children? All three properties: conductivity, malleability and ductility. Now on this module based, I have written some question. Why metals are used to make wires? Right now I have given you this ductility that we can convert metal into wires. This is called ductility. Define conductivity and ductility. Those definition, both the definition is given in this module. Why switchboards are made up of plastic? This also I have given you answer, that because plastic is bad conductor of electricity, so it can prevent us from getting electric shock. Thank you, children. So our fourth chapter has already has completed now, and now we'll start with this question answers. Thank you.